Hello, today we will guide you through how to take partials on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to close a portion of an open trade so you can lock in some profit or reduce your risk while keeping the rest of the position running. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the FXCM platform and that you already have an active position. We'll demonstrate using the RKG-CNH market, but the process is the same for other instruments. Begin on the trading page, then navigate to the RKG-CNH symbol. This ensures you're looking at the correct market while you manage the position. If you don't currently have a position in this symbol, the interface will still load, but the partial close controls won't be available for that pair. Next, open portfolio. This is where all your live positions and working orders are listed. It's the best place to manage size, risk, and exits because you can see your quantity, average price, unrealized P&L, and margin impact in one view. In the portfolio, locate the RKG-CNH position and select the highlighted area shown in the guide. This highlight opens the position details so you can make changes. If you have multiple positions, take a moment to confirm you're clicking the correct one by matching the symbol and size. Now click the second highlighted control. This is where you specify how much of the position you want to close. Enter the partial amount in units or lots, depending on your platform settings. A quick tip. Keep the quantity smaller than your total position so you don't accidentally close it entirely. As you adjust the number, notice how the preview updates to reflect the new remaining size. If you use protective orders, review how they'll apply after the change. On most accounts, stops and limits remain attached to the reduced position unless you modify them. When you're satisfied with the partial amount, click Save Changes. Take a breath here and double-check the confirmation details, including the instrument, the partial quantity, and any associated costs, then proceed. The portfolio will refresh to show a reduced open size, and the realized portion of your P&L will be booked. If markets are moving quickly, expect the final fill to reflect current conditions at the time you save. That's it. You've taken a partial on FXCM. After the update, review your remaining position, ensure it aligns with your plan, and confirm that your risk control still makes sense for the new size. If anything looks off, you can revisit the portfolio and adjust again.